Come test drive this 2020 Kia Soul. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is waiting for you to take home. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.